In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to HubSpot content. We'll focus specifically on adding a video into a marketing email using HubSpot's drag and drop editor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make your video look polished and on brand. First, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account and open the marketing email you want to work on. From the main navigation, head to the marketing section, then choose Email. This will bring you to your email dashboard, where you can either create a new email or open an existing draft. For this walkthrough, open the email draft where you'd like to add your video so you're in the drag and drop editor. Once you're inside the email editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your content sidebar. It contains all the different elements you can drag into your email layout, such as text, images, buttons, and more. Scroll through that list until you find the video module. Click and drag the video element into your email body and drop it where you want the video to appear. You can place it above or below text, next to an image, or in its own section. If you don't like the placement, you can always drag it again to reposition it later. With the video module selected in your email, you'll see video settings appear in the sidebar. Under Video Source, you have two main options. The first option is HubSpot Video. Choose this if you want to upload a new video file directly into HubSpot or select a video that's already stored in your HubSpot file manager. This is helpful if you want more control over hosting and performance tracking inside HubSpot. The second option is URL. Choose this if your video is already hosted elsewhere, for example on a video platform or your own site, and you just want to link to it. In that case, simply paste the video URL into the field provided. Make sure the URL is correct and publicly accessible so your contacts can view it without any issues. After you've either selected your file or pasted your URL, HubSpot will generate a thumbnail preview of your video. This is what your audience will see in their inbox before they click to watch. In the thumbnail settings, you can customize the play button color so it matches your brand or stands out visually in your email. You'll also want to add descriptive alt text. Alt text helps with accessibility and ensures that if the image doesn't load for some reason, recipients still understand that a video is there and what it's about. Once everything looks good, review the email layout, send yourself a test, and you're done. You've successfully added a video to your HubSpot marketing email using the drag and drop editor.